Hello YouTube, I just wanted to share a really quick experience we had with this Land Rover 2-liter engine. This is no longer Ford engine, and this engine is made by Land Rover. The problem with this car was the idle. When you stop the car, put it on park, it would idle up and down, up and down. It would fluctuate, and when you turn the AC on, it would get a little better, but sometimes it would kill itself. It would die on a traffic stop or something like that. First thing we did, when you unplug the mass airflow sensor right there, it helped, it fixed the issue. But since we replaced the mass airflow sensor, it did not fix the problem. Only when you unplug it, it did help a little. So we did what's it called, a smoke test. It did not have any air leaks, but when I tried to pull the cap off from the oil, I would feel a lot of resistance here. It would like suck this so hard. I knew there was some sort of issue with vacuum leak somewhere. Same thing with the dipstick. There was so much vacuum in here. When you try to pull this off, you see how easy it is. When the engine is running, it's a little difficult, but not like really hard. It had so much vacuum in there. There's a PCV valve right here. Underneath this, I am literally touching it behind the engine right there. Let me see if I can get that right there. You see a little hole in there. When you put your finger, if the valve is broken, you will see the vacuum sucking from there. To replace it is very easy. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. You just pop it off and replace it with a new one. That will fix the problem. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.